So, may katangahan akong ginawa. I bought my flight ticket 2 days earlier for a group trip. Instead of May 28, ang binuko is May 26. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit ko naman to i-rebook? Eh, binigyan na ako ng chance ng universe for solo travel. Kaya, welcome sa part 1 of my 48-hour alone in Ubud, Bali. Before checking in, naghanap ako ng pwedeng kainan near the resort I'm staying at. Eto yung moment na need ko talagang i-absorb na okay. Dahil sa katangahan ko, andito ako ngayon. Kaya, i-enjoy mo na. Anyway, buti pumayag yung resort na 12 o'clock ang check-in. Kaya eto tayo ngayon. Nagtataka kung saan ba ako dadalhin ni kuya dahil ang layo ng room ko sa dulo ng mundo. Here's my room for 2 days and need ko na mag-nap dahil 3:45 AM yung flight ko earlier. Pinilit kong bumangon ng 3 PM dahil sayang ang oras kaya I just walk and walk. Yung area where I stayed at is super walkable. Daming shops, daming kanap, center siya talaga. First stop ko is Ubud Market. Very chungy ang vibe, pati yung items. And I got an oil painting. Plan ko kasi gumawa ng wall gallery next time for my travels. Dahil asa tabi na niya yung Ubud Palace, pinuntahan ko na din. Then after all the walking, gusto kong tumambay and when I search for aesthetic cafe to draw in, lagi tong top suggestion. So of course, punta naman ako and grabe, aesthetic niya talaga. I can honestly spend hours in a beautiful cafe and just chill, which is exactly what I did. Supposed to be, magte-take ako na ridge walk, kaya lang umulan kaya I stayed here longer and just drew. Syempre busog pa ako kaya lakad lang ulit and I decided to watch a show. For my nightcap, naghahanap lang ako ng may live band near the resort. So, dito na din ako kumain ng dinner and grabe, ang sarap nitong tuna steak na to, promise. And of course, in-enjoy ko yung ating live music. So, madami-dami din ako na-achieve on day 2 kaya until our next episode.